Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to print a list in TickTick. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your TickTick app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where all your lists are displayed. Click on the specific list you want to print. This could be your work tasks, grocery list, or any other list you've created in TickTick. Now, with your list open, look for the three dotted lines icon. Click on it to reveal a menu of options. From this menu, hover your mouse over the print option. This will allow you to access TickTick's printing feature, which is designed to help you create physical copies of your digital tasks. Next, you'll see two printing options appear. You can choose to print title only, which gives you a simple list of task names, or print title and content, which includes all the details and notes you've added to each task. Select the option that works best for your needs based on how much information you want on the printed page. After making your selection, a new print window will pop up. This is where you'll configure all your print settings before sending the document to your printer. Navigate to the right panel of this window and look for the Select Printer section. Click the drop-down menu below it to choose your preferred destination. This could be a physical printer connected to your computer or a PDF option if you want to save it as a file instead. Below the printer selection, you'll see the Print Orientation option. Click the drop-down menu here to select whether you want your list printed in portrait or landscape mode. Portrait is the standard vertical layout, while landscape is horizontal and can be useful for wider lists. Next, move down to the paper option. Click the drop-down menu to select your preferred paper size from the available options. This ensures your list prints correctly on the paper you're using. Below that, you'll find the pages per sheet setting. Click the drop-down menu here to select how many pages you want to fit onto a single sheet of paper. This is particularly useful if you want to save paper or create a more compact printout. Just below that, you'll see a text field for copies. Click on this field to adjust the number of copies you want to print. Simply type in the number you need. Finally, once you've configured all your print settings, look at the bottom of the window and click the print button. Your list will now be sent to your selected printer and you'll have a physical copy of your TickTick tasks ready to use. And that's it, you've successfully printed your list from TickTick with all your customized settings. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.